What if I told you that $100 a month, the cost of a few takeout meals, could make you a millionaire? Not a fantasy, not a scam, just math. Specifically, one of the most powerful forces in the entire universe. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it. Let's talk about the number that changes everything. 10.7%. That's the average annual return of the S&P 500 over the last 30 years, including inflation adjustments. Not every year is positive. Some years are brutal. But over time, the market has consistently rewarded patient investors. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you invest just $100 a month starting at age 25, and you earn that historical average return by age 65, you will have contributed $48,000 of your own money. But your portfolio? It won't be $48,000. It won't be $200,000. It will be over $1 million. That's the power of compound interest. Your money makes money. Then that money makes more money. Over and over again for decades. Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Whether he said it or not, the math proves it true. But what if you're starting later? Say you're 35. You invest $100 a month until you're 65. Same return. You'd end up with around $226,000. Still incredible for $100 a month. But notice the difference. 10 extra years in the market tripled the outcome. That's why the most expensive financial mistake you can make is waiting to start. So, where do you actually put this money? Step 1. If your employer offers a 401k with a match, start there. A 50% or 100% match is an instant return on your investment that no stock can beat. Contribute at least enough to get the full match. That's free money. Never leave it on the table. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA. This is the single best account for long-term wealth building for most people. You contribute after-tax dollars, and your money grows completely tax-free. When you retire and pull that $1 million out, you pay zero taxes. Zero. In 2024, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year. Your $100 a month fits perfectly inside that limit. Step 3. If you max out those options, or you want to invest beyond them, open a taxable brokerage account. Platforms like Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard make this easy. No income limits, no contribution caps. Just invest and let it grow. Now, what do you actually buy inside these accounts? Keep it simple. Seriously, simple beats complicated in investing almost every single time. Buy a low-cost S&P 500 index fund or a total market index fund. Funds like VOO, VTI, or FSCAX give you instant diversification across hundreds or thousands of companies. You're not betting on one stock. You're betting on the entire American economy. Historically, that's been a very good bet. Keep your expense ratios below 0.10%. That means for every $10,000 invested, you pay $10 a year in fees. That's it. Avoid actively managed funds with high fees. Studies show that over 90% of active fund managers fail to beat the index over a 20-year period. So why pay more for worse results? Here's the next level strategy. Don't just stay at $100 a month. Increase it over time. Every time you get a raise, a bonus, or a tax refund, put a portion of it to work. Even increasing your contribution by $25 every year makes a massive difference. Going from $100 to $300 a month by age 35 could push your retirement number well past $1.5 million. This is called lifestyle creep defense. Instead of letting every raise inflate your spending, you redirect part of it to your future self. Your future self will thank you in ways your current self cannot imagine. Now let's talk about the mistake that kills most people's wealth-building journey before it even begins. It's not picking the wrong stock. It's not the wrong account. It's stopping. Pulling money out during a market crash. Pausing contributions when life gets hard. Or never starting because the amount feels too small. The market will crash. It will drop 20%, 30%, even 50% at some point. That is normal. That is expected. And historically, every single time it has recovered and gone on to new highs. When the market drops, your $100 is buying more shares at a discount. It's a sale. The investors who panic and sell lock in their losses. The investors who stay the course, or better yet, buy more, come out ahead every single time. So here is your action plan starting today. 1. Open a Roth IRA if you don't have one. Takes about 15 minutes online. 2. Set up an automatic monthly contribution of $100 or whatever you can afford. Automate it so you never have to think about it. 3. Buy a low-cost index fund and leave it alone. 4. Increase your contributions whenever possible. 5. Never, ever touch it until retirement. That's it. No secret formula. No insider tips. Just consistency, time, and the unstoppable math of compound interest. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Start today. Even if it's small. Even if it feels like it won't matter. It will. The numbers don't lie. If this video helped you, subscribe for more straightforward wealth-building strategies every single week. And drop a comment below. Tell me where you're starting from. I read every single one.